Happy holidays, everybody. Steve from the Pinball Room. I just want to take a second and just say thank you. It's that time of the year, and I would be just so ungrateful if I didn't take a minute and just thank all of you that have been coming along on this journey with me of the homebrew project I've been working on. Huge shout out to my wife, who's been so supportive and putting up with how much time I've dumped into this project, more than she probably ever imagined. She's been my greatest supporter, my greatest source of inspiration, encouragement. She doesn't hear that enough, so thank you so much. I love you, Amy. Thank you for all you've done. And thank you to all the rest of you out there who have made this so enjoyable for me. A couple years ago when I was considering doing this, another friend of mine helped kind of push me over the edge after my wife was already telling me to do it. Seems like it takes a couple people to tell me to get off my butt and do things, but they finally convinced me to go through and start doing my videos, even though I figured nobody really ever wanted to listen to me drone on about my pinball project. But turns out we've got almost 3,000 people now, so wow, it's like huge. I'm so just overwhelmed and so thankful for all of you that have come along for the ride. Hopefully you've been learning something, or hopefully you've been entertained at my mistakes and the things I've been figuring out along the way. I think we've got a fun pinball machine coming up. I can't wait to bring it out to you guys at TPF. I'm hoping it's in a really good playable state. We'll see. It's crunch time. We'll see where we end up, but I'm hopeful. And yeah, I'm just so thankful for everybody who's been supporting, all of you who have subscribed, who have liked, who have been leaving comments, who've been interacting, who've been sharing your knowledge. Those of you who've gone before, I've learned so much from so many of you, even ways I need to be a little more safe with my grinder. It's been a fabulous year. Just thank you so much to everybody who's made the world of pinball a better year this year. So thank you so much. I can't wait to see what comes out next year from all the manufacturers, from all the rest of our homebrew community. There's a lot of great machines being built. Thank you for all the support from my Patreon subscribers, especially to you guys. We're a small crew, but we're amazing. Thank you so much. So I want to give a huge shout out to all of you, to Thibaut and Daniela and to John Blatt and to Brad and John and Shane Helms and Procco and Charles and Stefan and Alec and Eon Breen. Just thank you so much, guys, for sticking around. Hope you've been enjoying your t-shirt and your stickers and the sneak peek at some of the videos. I'm excited. Love having you guys' support. You're making some good things possible. Got some fun tools that have come along, some awesome things. You guys are paving the way for me to be able to go through and take one of my ramps and hopefully just get it like machined out of aluminum or 3D printed out of metal with a nice polish, instead of the 3D printed ramps I have out of plastic. Anyway, more to come on that in the new year. But there's just so many great things coming along, and I'm just really happy that you guys all came along for the ride and been supporting me. It means the world. So thank you so much. I'm wrapping up. This is my getaway pinball machine. We're so close. I'm trying to get it ready so I can actually play it for Christmas as a present to myself and my son for all the work we put into it. So we're getting really close. There'll be a video coming on that. We've got more videos talking about lighting. The insert lighting's got to come through. We've got so much left to do on the machine still, going through and getting a final playfield cut. We've got great high quality wood coming out from Bolter Plywood. Big shout out to Steve up at Bolter Plywood. Thank you so much for helping me get that wood. And yeah, so lots of stuff left to do still to get this machine, our Led Zeppelin machine, to final. Huge thank you to everyone who has voted for the channel for the Twippies. I really appreciate it. I know it's just like a community award thing, but it means the world to have been nominated. My homebrew was nominated. I've actually decided to push that off until next year. I'm just voting. It just happens here in a couple of weeks, and I'm nowhere near close to final enough to show it a lot of good gameplay, I think, to really earn that title at this point in time. So I'm going to hold off for next year for the homebrew machine. Hopefully we'll get in there as far as for the YouTube channel. We'll just, we'll have been an honor to have been nominated. So thank you for everyone who's voted, and again, just for your support, for sharing the videos, and just spreading the word of homebrew pinball. Again, there's never been a better time to build your own pinball machine. It's really exciting to see how many of you have started to take the plunge and have been leaping in. So yeah, big shout out to the Fast Pinball Group. I could not do this without their amazing products. They're coming out with a whole new set of boards. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. I'm going to do a video talking about them, all the awesome products they have, a lot of really awesome things that are going to make it even easier and even better to put a machine out of your own that is literally like manufacturer quality. Like, it's just, with their products, is going to be even better and more realistic than it was before. And huge shout out to everybody in the Fast Slack channel has been helping. I've learned so much from you guys. You guys have been so helpful. It's an amazing community. If you guys haven't bought any Fast products, you should just go buy something, anything, even if you're not going to build a machine, just so you get access to the Slack channel. It's so helpful. But if you really are serious about homebrew and you buy the Fast products, again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just love their product, and I really love the community they've built. Everyone's just so helpful. Anyway, and not just the Fast community or the Slack community, but also on Facebook group and the Strictly Custom Pinball Machines group that Jake Danzig runs, and everybody else who contributes. I just love being part of that group. Huge shout out to my Salt Lake area pinballers, Dan, who helps run that group, and everybody else who helps out there. Just it's all about community, right? It's all about people. It's like the pinball is what brings us together and allows us to just geek out and be ourselves and share our fascination for this stupid little ball bearing that spins around and knocks a bunch of things down and causes havoc and destroys play fields, but we just love it and can't get enough of it. Myself the same. So I rambled on long enough. Just thank you. Happy holidays. Can't wait to see you guys next year. Take care. And yeah, make sure you're spending time with your loved ones. And yeah, thanks to everybody who's been out there contributing and making content in the community and making pinball a better place. So take care, everybody. We'll see you next year. Bye-bye.